Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel Arco Studio by Vandana. Today we are learning the single crochet stitch, also known as SC, one of the most important and widely used stitch in crochet, especially for amigurumi. Materials: for this tutorial you will need 2.5 mm crochet hook, cotton 4-ply yarn, a pair of scissors, and stitch markers which are easy to keep count correct. If you are not sure about the yarn and hook size, check my previous videos. Foundation chain. Start by making a slip knot first. Now create foundation chains. For practice, make about 15 chains. To make single crochet, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You will see 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both the loops. That completes one single crochet stitch. Now add a stitch marker into first single crochet. This helps you identify the beginning of your row or round, keeps your stitch count correct, and avoids mistakes. Repeat. To make single crochet, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. You will see 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both the loops. That completes the second single crochet chain. Continue making one single crochet in each chain across the row. Be careful not to skip any stitches. At the end of the row, make one chain. This is your turning chain. Turn your work and start single crochet in the first stitch. Repeat this for every row. Don't crochet too tight when you are learning. Always count your stitches. Use stitch markers all the time. When starting the single crochet, there is another neat technique you can use. Insert your hook into the back bump of the chain instead of the front loops. This creates a beautiful chain-like border along the edge. Both techniques are correct, but the back bump technique creates a neater edge. Practice this stitch regularly to improve your tension and confidence. Don't miss my next video where I will start practicing stitches. If you enjoyed this tutorial with tips, like, comment and follow me. Thank you. Bye. Happy crocheting from Arc Studio by Vandana.